Good morning. This is Mrs. Carr. Today is Monday, April 20th, and I hope you all had a good weekend. I'm here for your rundown on science. So let's take a look at lesson 1. We are continuing our lessons from last week on fossils. So today we're doing, did you know that we're taking a virtual tour on Texas State Park? So let's click that open, and you can take okay, so we're going to skip that, right? But you'll be able to take this tour after this little trip is over. Let's see. Let me mute that real quick, just so we can see how long this is. Okay, so it's only a 3-minute tour, so that's not bad. So Dinosaur Valley State Park, so that sounds like a lot of fun. So go ahead and take care of that tour. Then we're going to read this article. And if you wanted to, you could print it out. You don't have to, but we're reading the article. And so what you're doing after you read the article, you do have 5 questions here at the end. So what you're going to do in order to get these answers to your teacher, you're going to do them in the messages here. So you're going to message your teacher. You're going to click new message. And you're going to say type in your teacher's name, and then this would be, what was this one before? This is the fossils reading. So you just title it fossils reading. You could title it fossils reading, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and put your answer choices there that way. Okay. And that's how we're going to get your answers over to your teacher today. All right. When you're done with that reading, then these are your discussion posts. So you're going to come back into your math course and you'll answer the discussion posts. Please don't forget to check later in the day or the very next morning for your responses. Your teachers are responding to everything, so please make sure that you are going back and checking for those responses either later in the day or in the morning. And then the last thing that you have today is you're going to make your own dinosaur park map. So that sounds pretty cool. You're going to draw some tracks, and inside your map, you're going to include the dinosaurs' habitat and food sources that the dinosaurs may have eaten. So that sounds pretty cool. You can Google it if you need help. Again, in order to share your picture or share your map with your teacher, you're going to take a picture of it when you're done. You don't have to finish it today, but you can take a picture of it when you're done, and you can post it in today's discussion board, or you can text the picture to your teacher through Remind, okay? Or you can email it as an attachment. You can post it here, and this is actually the same way that you would do it in your discussion board. You would click File, and then wherever your picture is, wherever you saved it on your computer, you'd click it and then open it that way, okay? And then you could post it that way. All right, guys, so excited. Can't wait to see those maps. This looks like a really fun activity, so I hope you have fun with that. All right, guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Oh, please don't forget, I said this in the math notes. Please don't forget, if you have questions, we're really utilizing Microsoft Teams this week. So you can click on the chat button if you want to chat with your team, or you can video your team or video your teacher under calls, and you could do it that way as well. Okay, wait, don't look at that. But anyway, so you can do it that way as well. All right, so please utilize your Microsoft Team for any questions that you have. That's what we're really trying to push for this week. All right, guys, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.